Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alaikum, dear students. Today we discuss discrete mathematics BSIT first semester. MCQs number 1. What is discrete structure in mathematics primarily concerned with? Option A, continuous object. Option B, abstract concept. Option C, discrete object. Option D, complex number. Answer is discrete object. Next, which of the following is not a key topic in discrete structure? Option A, sets. Option B, matrices. Option C, graphs. Option D, trees. Answer is matrices. Next MCQs. What is the primary rule of function in discrete mathematics? Option A, modeling relationship between sets. Option B, representing matrices. Option C, designing algorithms. Option D, analyzing probability distribution. Answer is modeling relationship between sets. Next MCQs. Which discrete structure is a special type of graph with option A, sets, option B, function, option C, trees, option D, relations? Answer is trees. Next MCQs. In which field does discrete mathematics plays a crucial roles beside computer science? Option A, chemistry. Option B, economics. Option C, physics. Option D, all of above. Answer is all of above. Next, what is fundamental rule of discrete math in algorithms design? Option A, analyzing weather patterns. Option B, studying continuous function. Option C, analyzing the time and space complexity of algorithms. Option D, designing physical experiments. Answer is analyzing the time and space complexity of algorithms. Next MCQs. Which area of discrete math is essential for designing compiler and interpreters? Option A, graph theory. Option B, number theory. Option C, formal language and automata theory. Option C, combinatorics. Answer is formal language and automata theory. Next MCQs. What is the primary rule of discrete math in cryptography? Option A, designing user interfaces. Option B, ensuring data consistency. Option C, designing secure encryption and authentications protocol. Option D, analyzing weather pattern. Answer is designing secure encryption and authentications protocols. Next MCQs. Which concept from discrete math is fundamental to secure communication and data protection? Option A, probability theory. Option B, modular arithmetics. Option C, regression analysis. Option D, set theory. Answer is modular arithmetics. Next, which skill does discrete mathematics help cultivate in computer scientists? Option A, spelling. Option B, critical thinking. Option C, cooking. Option B, driving. Answer is critical thinking. Next MCQs. What does the study of coding theory in discrete math focus on? Option A, error detection and correction in data transmission. Option B, music theory. Option C, language translation. Option D, game theory. Answer is error reduction and correction in data transmission. Next, what is not a key application area of artificial intelligence mentioned in the text? Option A, machine learning. Option B, natural language processing. Option C, game theory. Option D, cryptography. Answer is cryptography. Next MCQ is, what is primary focus of discrete math in field of artificial intelligence? Option A, designing user interface. Option B, studying animal behavior. Option C, holistic reasoning and graph theory. Option D, analyzing weather patterns. Option C, probabilistic reasoning and graph theory. Next MCQs, which skill does discrete mathematics help cultivate in computer scientist? Option A, spelling. Option B, critical thinking. Option C, cooking. Option D, driving. Answer is critical thinking. Next, what does the study of coding theory and discrete math focus on? Option A, error reduction and correction in data transmission. Option B, music theory. Option C, language translation. Option D, theory, game theory. Answer is error reduction and correction in data transmission. Thank you, beta. Allah Hafiz.